Hi friends, good morning. Welcome to our next tutorial on Java. So we are in control statements. In a control statement, we discussed many videos. In this, we will concentrate on next, that is nested loop. So what is nested loop? How it can be, that we can see here. So nested loop. So how this we can see here now. So if we specify a loop inside another loop, then we can say it is a nested loop. So loop within a loop, if we specify something, that we can say is a nested loop. So any loop can specified inside another loop any number of times. So we can specify any number of times within a loop that we can specify n number of times. So how that we can specify, we can see with one example here. So for that here, I am creating one new Java project on a name of nested loop, So in this we can create this in a nested loop, we can create that. So nested loop. So within a nested loop, I am creating here some package. So that is AndroIndian. Then here I am creating one class. So that class name is nested loop. Nested. So I'm closing this previous classes. So here in this, I'm writing now two loops. So just I'm writing first for loop. This is nested loops is nothing but it's a using for loop or while loop we can write. We'll discuss two examples. One is with for loop, one is with while loop. So I'm writing here int I equal to 0, I less than or equal to some value 5, then I plus plus. So I created one here. Within this I am creating one more for loop, that is int j equal to 1, then j less than or equal to 5, then j plus plus. So now here I want to write this system dot println out dot println. So here I'll write this as some star. So then what happens we can see here now. And outside of this, just I'm writing default system dot out dot println. System dot out dot println. So I won't write anything. I'm running this program. We will see this what happens. What is output for this? See, you can see here now. See, just I'm printing the stars. First it is 4, 5 births. This can be printed in 5 times. Like this we can do using this for loop. Also, I'm commenting these two for loops. We'll see one example using while loop here. So just I'm taking int I equal to 1. Then here I'm writing some system dot out dot system dot out dot println. So just I want to write this as a tables. Just for understandable, I am writing that. Here I am writing this while I less than or equal to 10. Just I am writing this while loop int j equal to 1. Then I am writing one more while, that is j less than or equal to 10. Then again here I am writing this system.out.println. Here what I am writing is I plus multiplying the values with this plus j plus equal to, just means I'm writing like as a table. I into j, I multiply with the j. Then here I'll write j plus plus. Then end of the statement, here it's a semicolon. Then outside of this while loop I'll write I plus plus and end of the statement like this. Then here I'll write system.out.println empty like this. See here now table has created here. See 1, 2, 3, 4 up to 10th table it's created like this. This is the way we can write number of tables here. Thank you for watching this. Please subscribe to get more updates. Thank you.